There's something unique about my outfit. I want my skin on top of my shoe. Alright, since singing time first, or before you all leave, we'll sing first a happy birthday to Sophie, our birthday girl. Okay, kids, go there first. Go to the table over there where the food is, where the cake is, and we'll have the candle glowing with Sophie.
Getting food.
Okay.
Sophie! Come on, Sophie!
Okay, everybody please gather around the cake over here. And we're gonna ask everybody to sing with us, okay? Alright, as we sing a happy birthday, or a happy 9th birthday to Sophie. Wow, there you go. Alright. Okay, Mommy Imelda, you join us, ha? No! Hey! You sing it like this with feelings, ha? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Dahil hindi talaga na. Pero kailangan with feelings, ha? At saka with intonation. with tono. Okay.
With projection.
With projection! I'm sorry! Thank you. Thank you for coaching. That's my coach over there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, wait! We're just getting the candle for the cake kasi kung wala yung candle, yung cake ang iboblow ni Sophie. Sayang yung cake. Okay? We want our Sophie to blow. Alright. Right there. Come on, you join Mommy over there with Beauty. Alright, there you go.
And then the candles.
Jappy, here, not
Okay.
there, yeah.
There you go.
Pan around so everybody sees.
Alright, we'll put on the candles first. We have how many candles, kids? 9! Because it's the 9th birthday of Sophie, okay? There you go.
Okay, go.
Wow, sila pa. 3 more.
6, 7.
Okay, that's 7.
Inis ako, sabi ko kahapon, di ba normal?
Alright, 8.
We have a
We have a lighter in the house. Sing with us also, okay? 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you! Louder!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Sophie. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, faster!
Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sophie.
Sophie, make a wish! Make a wish, Sophie! Make a wish muna ha, tapos blow ha? Okay, ready?
Wish.
Okay, meron na, Sophie? May wish na in your mind? Okay, blow! Yay! Happy birthday!
Sophie.
Again, happy birthday!
Sophie.
Yo! Happy birthday, Sophie! Alright, right now, we'll have the
wish of mommy.
wish of Mom. Teka, layo yung microphone natin eh.
Yeah,
Mami. Ayun, Mami. I'd like to thank the Academy. Yes. Now, wait, you know surprise for you. So eat plenty, okay? We still have lots of games to play. Alright? Happy birthday, So sit down. Alright. I'm gonna ask you first. Smile muna, smile.
I don't want to play hide.
Kids, did you enjoy your meal? Did you eat plenty? Did you eat spaghetti? Did you eat hot dog? Did you eat juice? You drink juice, you don't eat juice, huh? I'm sorry, I'm wrong. Rest myself? Since we want to see some magic? Alright, if you want to see some magic, you have to promise me, kids. Do you promise me that while I'm doing my magic, you're going to listen carefully? Tell you about the magic? Alright, do you promise me that I'm going to kiss all of you? Okay. Well, I want you to introduce me this time, okay, as your magician. Okay? Kids! Okay. Kids, are you ready? Okay, here's Belle.
Okay, presenting straight from Partyland. Here is Beast the Magician. How about another round of applause? Come on, kids. Clap naman. Yan.
Okay, before, don't throw it at the gloves, so that you'll see that it's really magic, huh? Okay, kids, are you ready for my first magic? Okay, for my first magic, kids, what do I have here? What's the color of my ball? Now, how many balls do we have? One red ball. Now, kids, like all magic games. We have a problem. Mamaya, darling, 10-10 ha. Dahil din mo ka dito match ng magic. Gusto ka magic? Oo, magic. Gusto mo kita magic? Okay. Oh, watch carefully, kids. Like all magic, like all magicians, we have magic words, okay? When I say Abra, what do you say? Alright, when I say hocus, you say? When I say happy birthday, you say? Not Sophie, ha? You say Sophie, pero not Sophie. Happy birthday! Wait. Why do I have a bib? I'm still a baby. I have bib, no? What? No more throw. If you throw that again, I'll kiss you, okay? Okay. Now, watch carefully, kids. Watch carefully. How many red balls do we have? One red ball. Now, watch carefully. Watch my hand. Watch magic. Magic, right? Magical glow. Okay, now watch my hand carefully. Hocus! Louder, hocus! Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3! Galing na? Ain't that magic, kids? Clap your hands! No, clap your hands. It's a trick. It's a magic trick, right? Ain't it good?
Hindi ka
Okay, alright. Tying them together like this, okay? Now watch carefully. Are you watching, kids? Are you watching? You're not touching, huh? You're touching. Okay, now we have the color. Red. Now watch carefully. We're gonna tie the red string together. Now, how many circles do we have? 3. Oh, count with me, huh? And a rickety kitty. What? And a is spell no. Y-E-S. We have the 3 circles on my hand. Abra! Hocus! Happy birthday! like that. Yes.
The kids.
Okay. Wow. Kids, this time, do you want to see a rabbit?
Yes.
And then I'm gonna get Gertie also. So now we have Boy here, right? And who's here? Girly. So now what I'm going to do, kids, is I'm going to put Boy into my pocket over here, my magic pocket. And then, what I'm gonna make Boy do is, I'm gonna ask Boy to jump from my pocket into my hand over here. Okay? Now, how am I going to do that? We're going to say the magic word, but first, I need a volunteer. And my volunteer is... Wait, listen first. My volunteer is... Asami. Oh, come here, Asami. Come here, darling, come here. Let's clap for Asami, everybody! Okay, Asami, come here. Okay, face the other. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you... Who's this? Girly, right? Now, I want you to close your hand. Asami, close your hand. Not your eyes. Open!
Yeah. Hey, because you put them both.
Yeah.
You put them both in
Yeah.
your hand.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Galing nga rabbits did I give Sophie? Two. Close your hand, Sophie. Two rabbits. I gave her 2 rabbits, okay? Right? There you go. See? I gave it all to her. Watch carefully so that you... 3, open! And you have a baby. Isn't that magic, kids? Ala ko, no pa rin eh. Clap your hands! Oh, galing, no? Alright, give me the rabbit. Give me the rabbit.
Yeah, you didn't eat it. You didn't.
Okay, I did. Carefully. See? And here, we're going to untie this side over here also. Wait a minute.
And really living in a home is something that